So we got a buzzard circling overhead. I could hear it before I saw it, and I guessed what it was. I recognised the call. Looks to be another one higher up as well there. In fact, there's a few. Look, I can see 5. Can you see them? I'm not sure you can see them. All the pigeons are diving for cover. Yeah, just counted 5 buzzards. There you go. Stood in the back garden. We get red kites over as well sometimes. One thing we rarely see though these days is kestrels. That's nice to see, isn't it? 5 buzzards, they must be doing okay.